Hey Owen, hey guys, here for the hourly checkup. It's about 8:30 a.m. here and going down. Going to take a first measurement. So, we're looking at about a half inch of snow and basically in about an hour or so. So it's coming down at a decent pace. Not super quick yet, but and for you metric people, about 2 centimeters. We're supposed to see this all day long, so it's going to be interesting. Like I said, they're calling for up to 8 or 9 inches. So we'll check back in about an hour or so. Hope you're enjoying this process.